The story of watermelon is told by my father. This is an old tablecloth made of very heavy cotton. And this tablecloth, I'm just showing half. This tablecloth is from the late 1800s. If you look at the watermelon, it's full of seeds and is almost as big as a small child. And you see the woman there, the chicken, and the man, house in the background, very old tablecloth. My father has a theory on the watermelon.
Public has a degree of demanding it's too heavy. So they cut them down to 12 pounds.
Now is that fact or fiction?
No, that's real.
That's fact.
Yeah, that's a fact.
I never heard that story.
Yeah, yeah. Engineered them in Blythe, California. See, Blythe was the watermelon capital of California.
Is that B-L-Y-T-H-E?
Yeah, Blythe, right on the border of Arizona, Colorado River, and California.
And that's where that begun, that type of
this watermelon country. They used to hire men to go there and what they call pitch watermelon. You know, pick them up and pitch them on the truck.
Right.
Most of them weigh 40, 50 pounds.
It's pretty heavy.
That was a complaint.
I love that.
So they could engineer them to weigh 15 at the most,
yes,
10 average, you know.
Yes, sir.
12 pounds. And so they do that to get the money.
Okay.
Cost them 12 cents to grow it, so they make 88 cents. Made watermelon. So
I heard that history.
It's all about the money.
Did you know that? Some hey, you knew it also. Yeah, sitting here with a real wealth of knowledge, and we share that watermelon story with you.
It's one of the purest fruit you can eat.
I guarantee you that. I tell you, I can live, sleep, and eat watermelon all year. If they were real breakfast, dinner, supper, they fulfill my desires for having that water.
Yeah. 91% of the public will eat watermelon.
Does it cause your bladder to really fill up pretty?
No,
it
cleans your system.
Well, yeah, I agree with that, but boy, it just makes my bladder. That's what the problem. That's what it's doing. My bladder, I have to go to the restroom, a bathroom quickly.
Yeah, well, clean that system. If it's clean, it's gonna work better.
Okay. All right.
Simple as that.
I got you, Robert.
Watermelon is a cleanser.
Yes, it's good too.
Yeah, well.
I know it's cleanser, but it's
my uncle used to call it belly wash.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, belly wash.
Oh, wow.
After the watermelon, you go shit your proteins and turds.
The watermelon do? How you do that? I tell you, I think if you heard this, the old wise tale that whatever you like and eat more is part of your birthmark. You ever heard that one?
Yep. No.
That's what you like a lot. It's part of your whatever. It's just a wise tale. Who are you folks? We can't stop loving you too. It's useless to say. So I'll just live my life.
Oh, yes.
Dream of yesterday.
The things I used to do.
Where you going, Miss Bill? Let me get this woman out here, Coach.
Health benefits of watermelon seeds. If you like watermelon, you'll be happy to hear that it is full of nutrients and not just water and sugar. Watermelon has a lot of vitamins and minerals and very few calories. When you think of summer, you probably think of watermelon and picnics. Because watermelon leaves you feeling fresh and has a sweet taste, it helps fight off the summer heat. It is also an easy and healthy dessert for kids and adults to enjoy. Watermelon seeds are also great for your health. Here's why. Hypertension. Watermelon seeds have a type of acid that fights hypertension or high blood pressure. It doesn't only stop you from getting high blood pressure, but it also keeps your blood pressure at a normal rate. Lessen heart risk. Because watermelon seeds help keep your blood pressure healthy, it lessens the risk of heart disease and heart attacks. Mitigates cholesterol levels. Watermelon seeds have an acid that helps lower the cholesterol in the body and keep it at a healthy level. Fights back bacterial infection. The seeds of a watermelon have a chemical that fights bacteria. These help fight infection in the body, like Klebsiella pneumonia and Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Aid for inflammation. Watermelon seeds are good for bringing down swelling. They are used to treat edema and urinary tract infection. Healthy nervous system. Because watermelon seeds are full of vitamin B, they help keep the nervous system and immune system healthy. Diabetes treatment. You can boil watermelon seeds with water and drink them every day to help treat diabetes. Skin care. Watermelon seeds have oil that can keep the skin moist. They make the skin moist, glowing, firm, and fight signs of aging. Every woman wants to look younger. Watermelon seeds can help with that. They have antioxidants that keep your skin younger than your age. Eat just a few of them to feel the difference. Hair care. Watermelon seeds have melanin, which is good for your hair color. To use, roast and eat a few watermelon seeds. Next time you eat watermelon, don't spit out the pits. Eat them for all the ways they can help you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.
To find one of my favorite ingredients on sale, and it's the garlic sauce. It's normally about $5 for this size. I got it for $1.50 at the discount store. I'm gonna add some to my chicken.